And be careful, like, this never happened to me. I had a very responsible parent. Like, and my friends don't drink, or they drink, so they don't drink, you know. They treat like, get on great things. There are like many cases where people have family members that can actually drink, and then when they're 18, you know, they're offered a bit of alcohol, and alcohol, you know alcohol. So when you have a drunken drinking alcohol, it could be that you take your, like, and you're incredibly tipsy. So like, I know, like, some people have just been like, the first time they drink alcohol, and they're just they drunk around their family, nobody's down in college. So, yeah.
I'm not sorry. Like, I don't have a good case against.
The concept of time travel has fascinated scientists and storytellers alike. Theoretical physics suggests it might be possible through mechanisms like wormholes or the warping of space-time. While still speculative, time travel remains a popular theme in science fiction, exploring the complexities and paradoxes of moving through time.
So like, I know, like, some people have just been like, the first time they drink alcohol, and they're just they drunk around their family, nobody's down in college. So, yeah.
I'm not sorry. Like, I don't have a good case against.
And be careful, like, this never happened to me. I had a very responsible parent. Like, and my friends don't drink, or they drink, so they don't drink, you know. They treat like, get on great things. There are like many cases where people have family members that can actually drink, and then when they're 18, you know, they're offered a bit of alcohol, and alcohol, you know alcohol.
The study of linguistics examines the structure, development, and use of language. Linguists analyze phonetics, grammar, semantics, and sociolinguistics to understand how languages evolve and function. This field provides insights into human cognition, communication, and the cultural significance of language.
I'm not sorry. Like, I don't have a good case against.
And be careful, like, this never happened to me. I had a very responsible parent. Like, and my friends don't drink, or they drink, so they don't drink, you know. They treat like, get on great things. There are like many cases where people have family members that can actually drink, and then when they're 18, you know, they're offered a bit of alcohol, and alcohol, you know alcohol. So when you have a drunken drinking alcohol, it could be that you take your, like, and you're incredibly tipsy. So like, I know, like, some people have just been like, the first time they drink alcohol, and they're just they drunk around their family, nobody's down in college. So, yeah.
The sport of chess is a strategic board game played by two opponents. Each player controls 16 pieces, with the objective to checkmate the opponent's king. Chess enhances critical thinking, problem-solving, and concentration. It has a rich history and remains popular worldwide as both a recreational and competitive activity.
There are like many cases where people have family members that they actually do drinks, and then when they're 18, they're offered a bit of alcohol, and alcohol, so when you have a drunken alcohol episode, it could be that you take just like beer and you're incredibly tipsy. So like I know like some people have just been like the first time they've gone over and they're just drunk around their town, no but down in Scotland. So yeah.
I'm not solid. Like I don't have a good case against.
Wait until you're 18. And be careful, like, this never happened to me. I had a very responsible parent. Like, and my friends don't drink, or they drink, so they don't drink.
The phenomenon of black holes involves regions of space with gravitational fields so intense that nothing, not even light, can escape. Formed from collapsed massive stars, black holes challenge our understanding of physics and the nature of the universe. They are studied to gain insights into general relativity and quantum mechanics.
I'm not solid. Like I don't have a good case against.
Wait until you're 18. Careful, like, this never happened to me. I had a very responsible parent. Like, and my friends don't drink, or they drink, so they don't drink. There are like many cases where people have family members that they actually do drinks, and then when they're 18, they're offered a bit of alcohol, and alcohol, so when you have a drunken alcohol episode, it could be that you take just like beer and you're incredibly tipsy. So like I know like some people have just been like.
The art of gardening involves cultivating plants for food, beauty, and enjoyment. Gardening practices vary from small urban gardens to large rural estates. It promotes relaxation, physical activity, and environmental stewardship. Gardening also supports biodiversity and can provide sustainable sources of fruits, vegetables, and herbs.
And be careful, like, this never happened to me. I had a very responsible parent. Like, and my friends don't drink, or they drink, so they don't drink. There are like many cases where people have family members that they actually do drinks, and then when they're 18, they're offered a bit of alcohol, and alcohol, so when you have a drunken alcohol episode, it could be that you take just like beer and you're incredibly tipsy. So like I know like some people have just been like the first time they've gone over and they're just drunk around their town, no but down in Scotland. So yeah.
I'm not solid. Like I don't have a good case against.
The practice of mindfulness meditation involves focusing on the present moment with non-judgmental awareness. Techniques include deep breathing, body scans, and mindful walking. Regular mindfulness practice can reduce stress, improve mental clarity, and enhance overall well-being, making it a valuable tool for managing daily life challenges.